Hello viewer, if you cannot send photo on Instagram, let's see how to fix Instagram photo sending problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Tap on I button. Now scroll down and click on Instagram storage. From here, clear cache data from the lower corner. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now tap on search icon. Now search Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app. After complete the update process, go back to your home screen. Now open Instagram app. Click on profile icon from the lower corner. Tap on 3 line from the top right corner. Now scroll down and find out help. Click on help. Now tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Include and continue. In this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram. So write down, "Hi Instagram support team, I cannot send photo or image to my friends. Please solve this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After sending your report, Instagram support team solve your problem.